car gets struck. That's why I have to put my power cable on the laptop.
Tail.
Yeah, tail.
Size to it if we can see it. Sounds like T-size.
That's what I'm getting right now.
Going 1.5 now.
God, that's loud. This is so awesome. This is a car, Brock. Yeah, it's showing 1.5 in tail now. Try to get it out of that hail. I don't think turning around this road right now would be a good idea.
What?
I don't think turning around on this road in these conditions would be a good idea. Yeah, we're still getting some hail. Now we got a lot here. These people parked under trees. They're all scared. It again. This is a rental car, so what the heck do I care? Like we're gonna show Enterprise this video.